Hello everyone and welcome to Sense in Essence. What is the root cause for stress, anxiety, irritation, all those kind of emotions we don't want to experience and moods we don't want to experience? We are very good to make small things big. So we need to learn how to make big things small. For example, if I'm walking in the street and I see my friend coming towards me and I'm thinking, oh, how lovely it is to meet her. I have not seen her for a while. She looks at me and just goes away. No hello. No, how are you? What is my reaction? Is it irritation? How dare she? Or is it, oh, I'm so bad, what have I done? Oh no, she does not like me anymore. I don't want to live like this anymore. I am not even worthy of saying hello. It can be many different negative ways how I can react to the situation. And creating a very big story of these small incidents, what happened, I can create a huge story in my head. And it can be that it's not even true. Maybe she just had a bad day. Maybe she was daydreaming and she didn't really focus. She didn't saw, but she did not see me. So there is an opportunity also to see it in a positive way. Yeah, it's okay. But there is also a deeper way of responding to this situation. That's the highest way, spiritual response, which is coming from completely different angle. I am a spiritual being of light. I am an actor. This body is my costume, and the role I play in this drama called life is Ella. I am not Ella. I am not the costume, but I am the invisible being of light, the actor inside of this costume, inside of this role. And it is same with everyone else. So for example, if we are playing a Christian play and one of us is playing a role of Judas, after the play is over, do we say to this one who played the role of Judas, no, you cannot come and have a cup of coffee with us. You betrayed us. Go away. No. We say, oh, wonderful, it was a great play. We enjoyed so much. Let's have a cup of coffee together. So this is the actor consciousness. And it is possible for all of us to learn to live from this consciousness and see and respond to all the situations of life from this higher perspective. And what are the benefits of this spiritual awareness? I am never under influence of anything what happens. I don't create any waste thoughts which weakens my mind, because my mind becomes so full and so heavy when thinking about how, why did she do like that, It's like ongoing, chatter in my mind. And also I'm able to be light and happy in every situations, because when there is detachment to the role, to the costume of myself and others, that detachment is allowing me to stay connected with my inner qualities of peace, love, lightness, happiness, contentment, because that is what each soul is. So enjoy life, no matter what happens. But remember to be an actor. A spiritual being is an actor. And everyone has perfect roles. No need to fix anything. Om Shanti.